Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the planner unboxing series. We are nearing 2024 and here is the best time of my year, which is planner unboxings. I got this huge box from the Tall Elephant. It's their little black box and it's got a lot of goodies. This box comes in customized. As you can see, I've got my name written on it and it's in this very beautiful golden foiled font. And the entire black box is so pretty. Of course, I'm going to repurpose it to store all of my essentials. Now, I'm absolutely unaware about the things that you get in this box, so we're going to be unboxing them one by one. First is the Tall Elephant family's little pamphlet where you've got the brief, love and gratitude. Basically, the founder and the creator of the brand has written a very nice letter and the journey of this. Now, this box contains everything you need to get your productivity planning and self-care journey started for the upcoming year. It's a huge box with a lot of goodies packed, so I'm super excited to unbox them individually with you guys. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. Also, there's a coupon code that will help you get some extra discounts, so do not forget to use that. And yeah, now without further ado, let's get started by removing all of these packets and unboxing and unwrapping them because it's going to be super fun. It looks like, you're unwrapping a gift for the upcoming year, and the box is so adorable overall. So let's get started. So I'm taking one by one gift wrapped envelope like this. I love how they've wrapped everything in black chart paper and put the Tall Elephant sticker. Now there's everything that you need for your planner productivity journey. First are these 3 sets of notebooks. Now I really appreciate the artwork that they've done. It's quite unique and different from the other brands available. I love the aesthetics. It's kind of like floral, but more of the serene vibes that you get. In these 3 notebooks, one is a ruled one, dotted one, and a plain notebook. And also it comes with like a case, so you can put all the 3 notebooks together in that case like so. The quality is extremely well. I was really happy with the quality of the notebook and the cover pages. And I don't know why, but the initial thing kind of made me remind of Temple Run. Now let's unbox the other packet. Now I had no idea what all things were there, but every time I unwrapped a packet, I was so astonished. Here we have the self-reflection book, and can we just appreciate it? There's a question, and resonating that question, there is a very nice artwork done. So you can see it's a very nice handmade, well-thought planner, or you can say a planner set. Now each question is kind of like your self-reflection in the past, talking about your childhood memories, days that you were very happy, thought process, all of that. So it's more towards your self-care journey as well. Now let's unbox these other 2 ones as well. Again, I was struggling a bit while removing the packaging, so I was kind of tearing it out. So here we've got stickers. They've provided 2 stickers. One is the artistic journal stickers, and then you've got your planner stickers. So they are basically offering 2 things in this entire box. You have a journal and a planner. By the way, you can purchase all of these items individually as well, I believe, on their website, so you can check it out. Now, if you see the stickers are so adorable and well planned. Like, they legit had all the Indian dishes like dosa and all as a sticker, which I am all in for. Trust me, plus 10 points for the thought they've put in these stickers. And even the labels of these stickers are very well made, so highly appreciated. Like, you should definitely buy their journal stickers and their regular planner stickers because they are quite different from the ones available in the market. Now moving on to the next one, I was wondering what this was, and once I opened I realized this is actually a travel journal. I am planning some travel in the next year because I didn't go anywhere this year, and this is going to be the perfect journal. Also, another thing I noticed, some of their pages are like pre-cut, so you just have to tear it off, which is so useful, and you can stick them as well. One of the best part about this travel journal is this map. Like, can we just appreciate it? It's so beautiful, like a watercolor artwork. So these are the 3 other things that I unboxed. Moving on to this huge box, I was thinking what it is. So it's actually your 2024 desk calendar. And I used one of the calendars last year, and it was so useful to keep it like this year itself. So this time I've got a very nice big one. again, I love the artwork. The artwork is so nice. It's something that, everybody of every age can use and not very kiddish. So that's one of the reasons I really like it. And the quality is very good. So on the front end, okay, you've got your entire calendar with the month like August, September cover page and the calendar at the bottom. And on the other end of that, you've got your block calendar in case you want to mark any special days or important days. So you can also use it as a proper desk calendar as well. So this is the 2024 calendar. I really liked it. I love the aesthetics so far. Now we move on to unwrapping another thing. Also guys, this is going to be an unboxing and a gist review. I'm going to be reviewing the planner and journal in depth on my study channel. So I'll leave that link below. Go ahead and check it out. I'll be uploading it a couple of days later after uploading the unboxing video. So here we have is the 2024 planner. So there are two things. One is a planner and a journal. So if you want to know the differentiation and everything in depth, definitely subscribe to my study channel. So this planner is more to actually plan out your days and everything in detail. I'll just give you a flip through. You've got your entire year with each and every day broken down into like a single page, so you can have like a gist view. You've got your achievements, SWOT analysis, skills, learn, all of these things are here. You've got your annual tracker. So this is a proper planning for the year and not a journal where you write your thoughts and all of that. So here you've got all the months bifurcated, and this is how your each and every day or your weekly layout would look like. I found that they could have improved the weekly layout a bit better as per the art aesthetics that they have going on. But otherwise, it's pretty good. So this is for people who've got like extensive planning to do, especially if you're a student preparing for NEET, JEE, where you have to plan out like everything properly. This is the proper planner for you. So there's a difference between planner and journal, which eventually I'll tell you guys. So yeah, the inside layout was pretty decent. I mean, they could have done better, but I'm not saying it's bad because the quality and everything is very nice. And also they provide you with a QR code which you can scan and get to know how to use it at its best. Again, you've got your SWOT analysis like I was talking about, bifurcating the time management, activity, finance tracker, all of these. So I'll be reviewing this in depth on my study channel, but overall I really liked it. The quality and all is top notch, so that you don't have to worry about, and it's a hardcover one. So yeah, so this is the planner. Now let's move on to the second one, which is actually your journal. Now this just blew my mind. I mean, another thing, if you want to buy anything individually from the Tall Elephant, get their 2024 journal. I'm soon feeling that I might end up using this as my 2024 journal. And I like how they've written it in gold foil on the side. First of all, okay, like I'm so excited to share it. You've got your letter to myself, a little, introduction. This is basically like a glimpse through, and then you've got 51 things about me. I love this page. Like this page has my heart. Then there is highlights of 2023, 2024 pre-planning, and the start of 2024 journaling. So journaling is where you actually not only plan a bit, but you also write your goals, your vision board. You talk about the things you want to achieve, things you want to improve, things you want to stop doing. Write down all your thoughts, how you're feeling, tracking all this. So yeah, they've got very beautiful things. As you can see, there is everything from your travel bucket list to medicines to purchases to library like this one. This is something that I would say they have well thought, and a product that you should have if you are into like proper planning and management like I am. I was stunned by this. I'm absolutely in awe of this 2024 journal by the Tall Elephant. Here you have your gist of the entire month. Then you've got your priority hub, which is again a very interesting that they have done. Tracking for your goals. Again, every month you can individually track goals, and this is your weekly planning. I love this layout over the planner one. So guys, I'm going to in-depth review this in my study channel, so make sure you subscribe to it. There's also this happiness jar, and everything is properly described. So if you want to know the in-depth of this planner, how to use it, is it going to be beneficial or not, you can wait for my review on the study channel. But if you need my one word, get this 2024 journal from the Tall Elephant, because it's going to be the best purchase. It's got you covered for everything, from your meals to your exercise to your productivity to your finance to self-love, self-care. Everything is in here, and I love how they have designed it. I love the artwork. It's not at all minimal. It's quite aesthetic. It's cute, something that people of all age group would love to. So yeah, this is one of the planners that I'm very, very happy to have. have. I love their concepts, the different things, and I love how they have shared like these very nice cute little pictures or postcards, but it's like mini painting cards that I would say. Coloring, I miss this. I appreciate when planners, when people, making planners have these coloring pages in, and it also comes with these beautiful aesthetic stickers. I also love the thought process behind the stickers. They're quite unique, not your ordinary ones, so appreciate it. You are getting for the buck that you're paying, and I can vouch for that because it's a very nice, well thought journal. So absolutely loved it. Now there is another huge box in this little black box which has got a lot of other free goodies that again I'm super excited for. So here you've got like a tote bag, a couple of candles and some cards. So let me unbox them one by one. So I was like, kind of tired by the end by unwrapping all of these, but it was super fun as well. So in this big purple box, you get a plain black tote bag with some pom-poms. So yeah, I mean, tote bags are always useful. I carry them always in my bag, and in case if I am supposed to buy something, I always have a good tote bag. I know I don't need to buy plastic bags and all. So that's great. It's a very basic, simple, black tote bag. Moving on, we've got other things as well in the box. I was just quickly wrapping it up. So yeah, I don't avoid messing it. So keeping that here. You've got 2 candles. I tried to sniff the candle. They were like jasmine sort of a candle. So yeah, pretty good. I love the packaging. The packaging is quite eco-friendly that I could figure out. So yeah, these are the 2 basic candles that you get. You can already see I love burning candles, and these are the scented ones from the Tall Elephant. So yeah, this is like an additional freebie that you're getting with your little black box. So I'm not really sure. One smelled a little sweeter version, citrusy sweeter version, and the other one was definitely lavender that I could sniff easily. So these were the 2 candles. Now coming to one of my favorite anticipated part, these are the universe speak cards. Basically some cards that you can randomly pick out and see what the universe wants to tell you that time. So yeah, they've got some messages and all, and I thought of trying it out. So what I was doing is I was simply, shuffling the cards and picked out a random one, and let's read what it has. It says, embrace the present, it holds tomorrow's cherished memories. So yeah, these are some very nice, universe messages cards that you can play with your friends or just to cheer up your mood. And the last thing that you get are basically like your stationery holders that you can attach on your journal and planners. So these are like pen holders that you just simply slide on with the elastic band on your planner or on the page inside, whatever works for you. Again, cloth made, really like it. Again, something different from what you get in the market. So I appreciate the thought process and everything that they've put out in this, entire box that they have curated. And if you're someone who's genuinely interested in a proper productive self-care planning for the upcoming year, this is the box that you can look out for, because you've got everything from your travel journal to your gratitude journal to your planning and journaling both, and everything. You get a couple of freebies as well. The only thing you'll have to purchase after this is a couple of pens and highlighters, and that's all. So guys, this was my unboxing of the 2024 the Tall Elephant little black box, their planners and journals. I'm going to be in depth reviewing the planner and journal on my channel, study channel, so I'll leave the links below if you're interested in purchasing this. I also have a coupon code. You can get some discount from it. And I'm super excited to share more such 2024 planner unboxing videos. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.